Hello students and some parents, Miss Slyman here with Trig Identities. So what we've got here is just a list of the basic identities, and we've seen some of these. So here's the quotient identity that we've seen a lot. Tan is sine over cosine. Pythagorean, sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. Well, we've also got these reciprocal identities, which is the idea of what if we have 1 over sine. So 1 over sine is called cosecant. That's how we say that abbreviation there. So that's cosecant. And 1 over cosine is secant. Now, it's crazy that cosine is not cosecant, but you can just remember that it's crazy, and that's the way to remember it. Cotangent is this abbreviation. So cotangent is 1 over tangent. But since we know that tangent is sine over cosine, cotangent then would be 1 over sine theta over cos theta. Well, if I simplify this fraction, I end up with cos theta over sine theta. So that's really handy. By using my replacements, I could also find new identities here. So for example, if we divided through by cos squared theta, so if we divided through by cos squared theta, cos squared theta, cos squared theta, well, sine squared theta over cos squared theta we know is tan, so that becomes tan squared theta. Cos squared theta over cos squared theta is 1. 1 over cos squared, well, we said 1 over cos is secant, so 1 over cos squared is secant squared. If I had divided everything by sine, I would have ended up with this identity. But none of these, none of these Pythagorean identities you have to memorize because those are given to you in the formula booklet. Oh, and so are secant and cosecant. So that's nice. You don't have to remember those either. Notice they use cosec rather than CSC, same thing. So all of the Pythagorean identities are given to you. The tan identity is given to you, but cotan is not. So you need to know that cotan, so let's come back here and let's put a star next to the ones you're not given. So you're not given this one, which means you're not given this one, but all of these you're given.